World building. Another tip, not another, world building. A tip I have for world building is try drawing out the map of your world, right? So whenever you're trying to describe it to anybody else, you can always look back as a reference to see like, oh, okay, so I have Camelot here, but then I got Mordor down here, and he has to travel through the forest of Oppenheimer. You know what I mean? Like, just try to draw it out so it can help you figure out how your world looks so you can see it, you can project it on as words, or even add it to your book later down the line. World building is so important because it helps the reader immerse themselves into the world that they're reading, right? So, an example I like to use is Harry Potter. You kind of can paint the picture of Hogwarts when you're reading it from J.K. Rowling because she built the whole entire world for us, and we were easily be able to be sucked in and immerse ourselves into the story, into this world of Harry Potter. This is Creative Writing Lessons. This is where I give you tips and tricks to writing a successful story, especially for beginners. If you're loving this content, don't forget to like and subscribe to this video so I can keep pumping out these amazing videos. All right, let's continue the video. World building. So, a tip I have for world building is study another author's work. See exactly how they were able to portray their world that they wanted to make up, right? So look at Avatar, right? The blue people, right? Not Airbender. Look at how James Cameron built this whole world of Pandora and everything, even the newer one, right? With the sea and the ocean and everything like that. See? So read that script. See how he described it. Read J.K. Rowling's Harry Potter. See how they described Hogwarts. You know, if you're able to study other people's works, it will definitely come back and help you become a better and stronger writer as well. Hello there. So I have two kids books out of my four kids book series self-published on Amazon. If you want to check them out, the link will be in the description below. And if you have Kindle Unlimited, you get these books for free. World building. One of my tips for world building is you should probably try to summarize all the key important facts of that world, right? And if you do a quick summary on each element, whether it is each of the kingdoms or each of the planets or each of the characters, like just write out a summary of the key points that you need to dive into for your world, so then you will have a better understanding. And if you have a better understanding, it'll be so much easier to write it for your readers to understand.